Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are having fun at home. Children, today our topic is opposites as it is coming in your assessment. So, let's have a quick recap of opposites. So, tell me, what is the opposite of big? Yes, the opposite of big is small. As you can see in the picture, one teddy bear is big and one is small. So, what is the opposite of big? Small. हिंदी में big को कहते हैं बड़ा और small को कहते हैं छोटा. Now, tell me, what is the opposite of tall? Yes, opposite of tall is short. See in this picture, the boy who is in green t-shirt is tall and the boy who is in yellow t-shirt is short. Tall को हिंदी में कहते हैं ऊंचा और short को हिंदी में कहते हैं छोटा. Now, what is the opposite of fat? Tell me, what is the opposite of fat? Yes, thin. In this picture, one man is fat and one man is thin. So, what is the opposite of fat? Thin. हिंदी में fat को कहते हैं मोटा and thin को कहते हैं पतला. Children, what is the opposite of day? Yes, the opposite of day is night. हिंदी में day को कहते हैं दिन और night को कहते हैं रात. We play in the daytime and we sleep at night. So, what is the opposite of day? Night. Children, what is the opposite of empty? Yes, the opposite of empty is full. As you can see in this picture, one basket is empty. There is no fruit. And in another picture, the basket is full of fruits. So, the opposite of empty is full. हिंदी में empty को बोलते हैं खाली और full को बोलते हैं भरा हुआ. Now students, tell me, what is the opposite of in? Yes, the opposite of in is out. As you can see in this picture, in the first picture, fruits are in the bag and in another picture, fruits are out of the bag. So, what is the opposite of in? Out. हिंदी में in का मतलब है अंदर और out का मतलब है बाहर. Now, what is the opposite of hot? Yes, opposite of hot is cold. See in this picture, one girl wearing cotton clothes because she is feeling hot and another girl wearing woolen clothes because she is feeling cold. So, opposite of hot is cold. हिंदी में hot का मतलब गरम और cold का मतलब ठंडा. So, children, what is the opposite of up? Yes, opposite of up is down. See in this picture, children are playing on the seesaw and so the girl is up and the boy is down. So, what is the opposite of up? Down. हिंदी में up को कहते हैं ऊपर and down को कहते हैं नीचे.